What's going on, guys? My name is Marty, and in this video I will show you how can you change a language on your new T-Phone or T-Phone Pro. So let's start. Go settings. All the way down you need to find System. Click on Languages and Input. Languages. And now you can see only English, so you need to add another language. For example, we're gonna choose Portuguese. Yeah, that's fine. But you can see there's still English. So what you need to do is grab these two lines and put it up. And now you can see you have your Portuguese on. If you want to remove some languages, for example, you have a bunch of languages here, like Netherlands or Italiano, and you want to remove some of them, just click on these three dots, Remover, and for example, we're gonna remove all of these three. Click on this bin, remover, and that's it. We got only English here. Make sure your language is first, so first language is on, always. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.